Okay. Great set. That Apple came to India after so many years, and Tukral and Tagra were the first artists to do a large project with them. And that's because of the past that they've had with art and design. And give advice to the shabbily dressed Indian artists.
No,
There is no advice.
Be what you are. Like,
So all 5 stakeholders are happy and audiences will come because audiences come.
Yeah,
They come. But
Yeah.
it's just that whenever we are having, if we are not thinking that about 5 lakh people came, it's a pat on the back.
yeah.
People come in India.
It's a pat on the back, man.
People come in. Now, in that sense, when I'm interacting with any object or facility which is built by an artist and left it to play, that engagement, that framing of it is a painting.
I feel like your Apple project was not documented. Can I please ask you at this location, would you mind if I asked you, can you tell us the success of the Apple project?
Sure.
You all work only for money? What's your relationship with money? Last question. Okay, I'm going to take this also. What's your
Do you think
relationship?
you're working for money here, standing all the time?
Yes.
Do you think
Yes.
the lure is working?
Done design projects with Rado, again because of the kind of quality and the attention to detail that they obviously work with. They have been accused by multiple people. I know painters who are like they're too clean, they're too slick, they're too fine, they're too cool. Haters are going to be haters. Yes, fuck it. They are too cool, they are too slick, they are too amazing, and now they are the curators of the Serendipity Arts Festival. Hey, hi, aren't you Sumer? Hi, I'm Raymond.
Hi.
Hello and welcome to this really sweet episode. He has agreed to sit with me in this setting in the middle of the Serendipity Arts Festival. I'm presenting Sumer and he's done an amazing production here.
अच्छा इसके बात करता हूँ.
It's called Multiplay. As you can see, he's damn busy. We have 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes. He's called by quite a few people as we are shooting this. So I'm just going to get, he needs no introduction, just Google him. Right? Yeah. That's the fastest way to say it.
Yeah.
And also, and since the name of the show is, actually I think I'm going too fast, so I'll slow down. Can I get 20 minutes of personal time with you in this podcast? Right? I'm just going to forget that there's any tech, that there are like 5 people waiting for you.
Yeah, totally.
And I really respect this. Thank you. So you have done, by the way, these guys, the Tukral and Tagra team, have done some amazing projects in the recent past. They've done the Apple project. They've tied up with Rado and done a collaboration, but they haven't documented it. I don't know why. And now there are a few photographs in the air. There are so many ideas which I am struggling to find online, and for some reason they choose to do projects such as like this and Serendipity, and I find some of their curatorial projects a little abstract. So I want to understand this project and I want to figure out. It's coming. He's the curator.
He's the curator, come. So he can be with me here.
Yeah, he could be here then.
You know?
Can you stand? It's okay? 20 minutes? Yeah? Yeah, can you stand here?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So you can see the brothers.
oh, you're recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. This is anamorphic lens.
It's like this is the chat going on. So you
Okay.
come and we'll have
You
chat,
can
and then Jitin can come in. And
Oh, nice.
I want to ask you both that when you guys started doing this curatorial project, when you got the phone call, that phone call, कि आप कर रहे हो ये, this thing is what is. You guys, did you all have a mini fight saying that मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये करना है? How do you all function? No.
Jitin, go ahead.
No. So, पहली बात तो ये when they came first time to us. So
Yes.
That was like 5 years back, 6 years
Wow.
back. I don't know.
Okay. Yeah.
So they want us to do some projects.
Yeah.
So we said we want cabs,
Yeah.
we want shuttles,
Yeah.
we want to be tied with Uber or whatever taxi company we
That's
have.
amazing.
Because we want everybody to be involved.
Yes.
We've been going through that thing. We want performance in the car.
Yeah.
That was our first project,
Yeah.
which we proposed them.
Yeah.
So then later on, we thought like, but that never happened for some reason. We were super busy with some other things.
Yes.
So then after 6 years back, when they connected us again,
Yeah.
we want you to do curate the thing.
That's
We said,
beautiful.
but did
Yeah.
you find the cabs? They say yes, actually.
See this vibe? This is the vibe. This is the.
He said yes, actually we have a shuttle service now.
Yeah.
He said now it's perfect.
Yeah.
So we have to do something in the shuttle in the cars.
Oh,
We have to plan.
So I have also done the podcast with the Poets on the Move.
Okay.
I
Great.
was there. This came from this one of these minds.
Wow. Okay.
And no, your mind I'm talking of. And I
No, I'm saying I'm happy you did it.
I have experienced, I think it's amazing.
Yeah.
I want to ask you about the larger curatorial idea that none of the works that they have included as part of Multiplay, there are no paintings.
This is zero painting.
Please tell me why.
So, thinking about, I want to it'll take me a minute to kind of circle back from the point of
Yeah.
beginning.
Yeah.
When we do our projects, one is definitely a studio practice related to the idea of making a work in the studio.
Yeah.
It's a continuous to and fro between me and him.
Yes.
It is like a tennis match.
Yeah.
But also it is something which is we are excited to inquire about, that something will come out of it. Of course, we know how it is going to look like, but there is some kind of subjectivity which changes with the context, with the time.
Yes.
And we always have seen that this 20-30% of this loose end becomes actually really interesting element,
Yes.
which we thrive for.
But you also allow people to participate in the works.
Yeah, so that because of that expansion, we started kind of making projects which are kind of mostly foundation projects, pollinator projects.
Yes.
Because we're not making a painting out of it. We are making a space for people to activate and create a work.
Yes.
And thinking about creative work, वो स्कूल में होता है कि आओ आपको कैनवस देते हैं बनाओ सारे बैठ के बनाने. Okay, that's one way of doing it.
Sure.
We are grown ups now to think in many facets of
Yeah.
creating together.
Yeah. Yeah.
Creating together is also the element of surprise. Creating together can always be a extremely pleasant area of investigation which you've never experienced before.
Now, this is coming from the fine mind of Sumit, but the general public, the critique I've heard is that it's too much investment. You enter a space. I told you the last time, this is like a three-dimensional Instagram moment.
Perfect.
Right, you're scrolling through, it's such a big project, you're just scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, but you don't just get to double tap. Your project, if this was a painting exercise, people would have just watched the visuals, give it 4 seconds, 20 seconds to 1 minute, experience the artwork, curatorial note is there, something is written, spoon-fed to you.
Yeah.
Your project somehow challenges all of this.
Yeah,
You
so-
kept blank spaces for people to re-criticize something, to re-look at something. You kept blank spaces for the general public to maybe write stuff. I didn't see a pen anywhere, but you allowed that to happen.
Yeah.
And you've started the work from one side. You're asking the viewer what Jeff Koons calls the viewer's quota, where essentially the artwork gets completed in the viewer's mind. And you've left for spaces and almost porous holes in each artwork in each space, so that people can fill it up.
Yeah, literally.
Literally.
Fill it up, activate, delete, subtract, shape,
Yes.
create or take away, give your hair,
Yeah, that's true.
give away the hair. We could
No, I like Nafrat. Yeah, you give something that you hate.
yeah. So the largely the curatorial, how it works is
Yeah.
basically a curatorial pyramid.
Explain this, yes.
So on the top of is your top idea,
Yes.
which trickles down to many new things. So the top idea is John Cage's Silent Song,
Yeah.
4.32, 33. And that song actually allows you to think, there is it is people who have spent time to kind of come there and invested time
Yeah.
standing there in anticipation.
Yes.
So there is, the performance is shutting the piano.
Yeah.
That actually allows people to think in that particular time. That becomes a capsule
Yeah.
where you can now allow people to sit and go through anywhere you want to and take a flight. That's exactly what we are doing.
Yeah.
The first artist we actually thought we called Talur.
Yeah.
We were like,
Talur was the first artist.
Talur was the first artist in our mind. Talvin was second.
Shailesh.
Shailesh. We also tried to connect with Yoko Ono,
Yeah.
that will give us the posters of War is Over,
Yeah.
and we'll print 10,000 copies and give it to people.
I have one Yoko Ono work from the Biennale with Jitesh. It was amazing work.
Yeah, so in a way that you have these things, we also had Rikrit's t-shirt making,
Yeah.
flag making,
Yeah.
Thai food eating.
Yeah.
We thought we'll have a Thai stand here.
Yeah.
Let people actually.
You guys are fun, man.
Yeah, and then have free food. You know, what else do you want? Every 2 hours I'm hungry and asking for food, eating gelato. I want to do a project with gelato
Yeah.
in collaboration with Crep Jock.
You-
You know,
it's a great idea.
So we want to pause. Like when people
Slow
are just
down.
doing
Yeah.
change the
good coding,
value.
We want to stop them.
Yes.
Pause here. So we have another project for people.
Yeah.
We give them an envelope. It's called offline serendipity mode.
Yeah.
You see your phone,
Yeah.
put alarm,
Yeah.
it'll open after 1 hour, whatever time you give her.
Yeah.
Then you have to tear the envelope to see the phone.
Oh wow.
That is an exhibition in its own
So
self.
where you lock your phone, it's like a
Yeah.
box where you.
It's a box.
Yeah.
So, you know, these are ideas where in our performance speed of seeing, meeting,
Yeah.
greeting, talking, you just want to trigger one thing. This is exactly what the brief worked around with Sixth Sense.
It's amazing, man.
Just one tiny
Yeah.
drop.
Yeah.
Just tiny drop from this large calendar schedule. You list up all these tiles are your things
Yeah.
and you just drop one tile, drop here, drop
Yeah.
there. That's exactly your
The act of participation is so powerful in all of your works.
Yeah.
Do you have like, I mean, your Excel sheet must be like, did you reject anybody that you wish you're like, oh shit, I wish I got. I mean, also if you allow an artist to participate, who's let's say a classical painter, and if you said that I'm interested in curating something where somebody can participate in your work, does that trigger something for an artist? And have you had an artist who doesn't do this kind of work and then you said, hey, why don't you try this? Like Gelato, for example.
Yeah.
They don't do this. They're a raw business, right? They don't
Yeah.
care about.
Yeah. So
Yes.
like Beena Panjani,
Oh,
she's
okay.
a hair salon.
Yeah,
Okay, so she's a very old friend.
yeah,
And when we told her, we've been telling her that we want to do this.
yeah,
We've done this in CA NRC with a random salon.
yeah,
And it had all the services, Jitin, but it didn't have this connection with the who's giving the hair service.
yeah,
We landed up adding on that level.
yeah.
And now
Sahi
the
hai
thing
yaar.
is, yeah, and now the thing is that people are coming again and again for haircut. They're getting their families
Yeah.
for getting a haircut.
Yeah.
And also we're like, एक object देना पड़ेगा hair का, वो hate का.
What don't you feel that एक तो there's nothing more crypto than art? Okay, मैं NFT की बात नहीं कर रहा. I'm basically talking about already people are confused about the visual art space.
And
And
you're confusing more further with these new economies.
I didn't say no. See,
But-
he said it. Huh?
No, I'm just thinking that this is what it is. So basically, we have to question the value system. This
Why?
is all
Why?
about
Why?
value
Let's
because
go
it
into
has always been seen as an economy, time. These are two value systems.
Yes.
And also who's bought your work, provenance, or kind of like why do I don't get to be on the list of the artists what you're working on? Then comes gender, then comes your
Sure.
specific boxes of queer, your inclusivity,
Sure.
your disabled.
You're talking of bubbles within
Yeah,
bubbles.
exactly.
Yeah.
And then there are trickles that okay, अब आप queer के अंदर भी किन को choose कर रहे हो, वो भी एक है.
Sure.
So अरे curator का job हम Excel sheet में रह गया. You know, like thinking
Yeah.
about the larger
So
culture.
you can't please all.
It's hard.
It's hard.
And
And
also
you
like
shouldn't also
availability,
sometimes.
availability
Yeah.
नहीं होती.
But also it should be according to the work. But when we were scanning it, we were going through it.
Yeah.
We were able to match the parameters. What we thought we have to have equal genders.
Sure.
We have to have everybody.
There are more women artists now
Sure.
in overall totality.
Yeah.
And that's great. We wanted and it
Yeah.
happened.
Yeah.
There are more physical projects inside, which is more done by male artists.
Yeah.
But then there are ephemeral projects which are done by women artists, which is automatically happening.
Sure.
You know, so overall 33 artists is not easy to give justice to everything.
Yeah. It's only 33. And it could be 33 is a lot for some people, and for some people
It's a lot. It's
Yeah,
a
yeah,
lot for
it's
us
a lot.
because we handhold everything.
Yeah.
And like a poet, yesterday, if you ever do the poem on the move, you did.
I did it.
And when Rochelle speaks, we
Yeah.
melt down.
Yeah, yeah.
Because she's just talking about from her heart. She said,
yeah.
I'll write what I know.
Yeah.
It's not an alien body. What
Yeah.
she's writing from her heart, from a nail, from
Yeah.
a lip, you know.
Yeah.
So the point is that
If you listen to Mamta, she talks about the Panjim road where
Yeah.
she went as a kid.
Yeah.
She tell you the stories of Panjim. So
I'm actually-
that's like
yeah.
it's very sensitive.
I'm actually shocked that, I knew you guys as slick, design based, coming in the art world. I know you hate this, but like the branding is still stuck now. You all did such a good job that आपका बन गया brand. मतलब you all are like, I'm seeing you all doing some of the finest booths in the art fair. I'm like, you can't go down. To see this kind of underproduction kind of works makes me feel like you're not trying to थोड़ा हम भी थोड़ा रॉ बन सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं, but उसमें
It's
कमाल
an
क्या है?
exercise in
देखो when you working with artists, no,
Yeah.
you can't give your aesthetics totally. But मेरे को तो ये सुनने को मिला कि आपने बहुत कंट्रोल किया आर्टिस्ट को.
मुझे भी लगता है
बट कंट्रोल किया, बट किस चीजों से कंट्रोल
क्योंकि
किया?
आप NID क्या
टाइपोग्राफी,
या
ठीक है, टाइपोग्राफी से कंट्रोल किया.
टाइपोग्राफी मर चुका है भाई.
बिल्कुल जिंदा है. आपको
I like
Google
the way each font of yours was like custom made.
या सो इतना भी नहीं है, बट ये कि हमको कर्निंग याद है, हमको पॉइंट साइज याद है,
बराबर.
हमको ये कि कोना ने बहुत ज्यादा टेक्स्ट दिया उसको छोटा किया, हमको ये आला ने टेक्स्ट नहीं छोड़ा दिया तो वो सही रहा.
बराबर.
तो हमको ये दुविधा याद है,
जिसने दिया ही नहीं उसका भी लिखना
जिसका
पड़ा।
दिया नहीं उसका भी लिखा. और जिससे हमने मजे भी बड़े लिए शैलेश में, हमने उसने कहा मेरी मशीन ले लो, जो करना कर लो.
बराबर.
हमने उसको हेल्प करा टू डेवलप इट एंड उसमें वो मजे भी लिए कि इंस्ट्रक्शंस लाइक व्हाट यू वांट ऑडियंस इज टू थिंक थ्रू,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
That's a space. And then a new space, a new thing which is we are very excited about is liquid text.
Explain that please. Yes. Yes.
So
Liquid.
liquid text is an idea where the ideas are flowing,
Yeah.
people are flowing,
Yeah.
and one relates to another, and one experience of work trickles down to the another experience of work.
Yes.
When I'm coming from Talur to Ala, I'm seeing अरे मैंने अभी बनाया.
Yes.
From Ala to Talur, अरे मैंने अंतर उसका बनाया. और
So there's
from
a flow between the narrative,
works.
between the works,
and both of them also like projects like Gurdeep's Cotton.
which only you can see curatorially because you're objectively from a
Yeah,
distance.
yeah, we've seen 1,000 times that mapping.
Yeah.
We've walked on these streets maybe 2,000 times by now. Some physically, some mentally.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So from Gurdeep's to Indigo, or from AI book massage to Shailesh's AI.
Yeah.
From Kona's shop to Rai's excavation.
Yeah.
You know, so there are links and
From the
linkages.
Sarnath's chair to Nafrat Parwaj, that sofa.
Yeah.
You know.
So that both are connected in a way.
So there are many.
And you think you all are successful at this?
Oh, we are. I mean,
Nice.
we had fun. That's my success level. I'm constantly thinking. Our volunteers are happy.
Yeah. Yeah. That's true actually. Yeah.
Our artists who are shown are very happy.
Happy. Yeah. That's
The
true.
curators. This is what it is. The host is quite kind. So all 5 stakeholders are happy, and audiences will come because audiences come.
Yeah.
They come. But
Yeah.
it's just that whenever we are having, if we're not thinking that about 5 lakh people came, it's a pat on the back.
Yeah.
People come in India.
It's a pat on the back, man.
People come in India, no? But also, then what
I know,
about?
but people
The
tell each
idea-
other and come also.
The
Like,
idea
wow.
was, so we want people to go home and think about it again.
Huh.
What they experienced it. That project was not just a haircut,
Yeah.
you know.
That's
You've
true.
taken home. You've
Yeah.
taken
You've
some
taken
things home.
Then you will share with your families
Yeah.
and friends and people. Okay, I got a nice haircut, but why I got a nice haircut?
Volunteers got haircut.
I submitted a hate.
Yeah.
You're not submitting the hate.
Yeah.
It's a cathartic for you. You have
Yeah.
released it.
Yes.
So you got a space to release.
You know, volunteers got haircut. Curators got haircut. From the serendipity team got haircut.
Yeah.
Yeah, audiences are getting it. All 3 parties, 4 parties which are important, they all are getting it. A service of care. Not just, it's not about a haircut or something, but
It's amazing that you introduced all these ideas into a visual arts practice, curatorial practice through your practicing.
so somebody asked why there is no painting like you.
I'm only
Yeah?
asking. Yeah.
पहले भी पूछा.
I'm an orthodox classical.
नहीं मैं बताता हूँ
From
क्या है.
that lens,
So
I'm
we
asking.
come from painting background and we're not putting a painting.
So you know why? This engagement is seen as a relational art. This is a term.
Yeah.
Now, in that sense, when I'm interacting with any object or facility which is built by an artist and left it to play, that engagement, that framing of it is a painting. You understand?
Explain that again.
That no 2 people will be engaging with it
The same way.
same way.
Yeah.
That itself is a work of art.
Sure.
So when I'm
momentary lapse of reason is happening between the viewer and the object, and nobody else is going to have that same
particular
kind of
ephemeral exercise or intimacy,
moment. Yes.
that itself is a work. That it's a work. So when Saurabh wants people to climb on the bookshelf and sit on and rock the chair to fan the other person,
Yeah.
is an exercise which he's developed, and we enter into his mind. When you're doing it, you are a painting. You are a part of the activation work. Otherwise, the work is waiting to get activated.
Sure.
It's not a
And it's
painting.
all-
It's not
Say
complete.
the work is never finished without the audience.
Yes. Yes.
So audience finishes the artwork.
It's called the Beholder Share. Jeff Koons has written a larger text. I forgot the word in the past.
Yeah, but
It's called
also
Beholder Share.
the ways of seeing book.
Yeah.
The ways of seeing, like what Dayanita is also doing, somewhere we relate to her practice also because she's pushed the boundary of camera related,
Yes.
and then it comes into a point where you're constantly building a narration. Sir, walk through. अच्छा, हमारा interview.
5 minutes. Okay, he's damn busy. It looks like you're damn busy. Do we have 5 more minutes?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
go ahead.
Anamorphic. So,
Yeah.
you don't you get like do you I have a like curatorial question where I'm like damn curious about you're speaking to 1,000 people in a day during this festival. Are you saying the same thing again, or do you kind of?
No.
I don't mean like
No.
are you making stuff up? I'm
No,
saying
no.
you have the same kind of information packet for each work,
No
matter who, whether
It
it's
changes.
a child, it changes.
Always it
Yeah.
changes. Or it will be. Always it'll change. Not it'll shift. I don't want to say it replaced, but it shifts the kind of narration you want to bring. Of course, if I'm standing as a volunteer in book massage, I'll be talking about that this is instructions.
Yeah.
But when people respond to it, there is lots to think to
Yeah,
learn.
yeah.
You know?
And do you have anything that in this project where you felt like a new fear unlocked? Like you're like,
Yeah.
oh hey, we didn't think on of is there curatorial like just the kind of people who watch Artistry Plus, they're upcoming artists. Everyone doesn't become an artist, but they slowly realize that there is a management, an admin department. There are multiple. You can do things for the love of art.
Yeah.
And you can do products, you can do merchandise, you can do multiple things. You can
Yeah.
do, this whole thing is not put up
No,
by artists.
I have to tell you something. So there was this group of artists today, like group of curators who we were talking, and suddenly when we did this, one room, second room, third room, and then fourth room was shut.
Yeah.
So somebody tried to peep in.
Yeah.
The artist was Loop
Huh.
and Pull Loop, and he works with the aesthetics of storage and the politics of storage.
So people are not going in his work.
I made people go
That's nice.
make people go in, that people can actually see the new body of work, which is this artist who is kind of anonymous and kind of non around
Nice.
and no board, but he works with the aesthetics of yeah, because we access that lab, that room
Yeah.
way too much. So, yeah.
So no fears and stuff. Like I mean, you guys are like champs. You've kind of pulled off
It
quite a
was
few.
not like that. We never given like so many walkthrough like
Yeah.
we created a show different
Yeah.
things, but we never done like this where people are addressing.
Can
And
I-
if you notice it, we have that board,
Yeah.
every information design as
Yeah.
the opposite of
Yeah.
every room or outside the
Yeah.
room.
Yeah.
Frame says very clearly who this person is, what is the project about, what you have to do.
Sure.
So then people read in one line, it's very understandable, it's for public.
Yes.
And then there is a long text inside,
Yeah.
If
and then
somebody
there is
would-
annotations. You know.
So if
So
I want
yeah,
to
go ahead.
end the podcast in some time, but I feel like your Apple project was not documented. Can I please ask you at this location, would you mind if I asked you, can you tell us the success of the Apple project? Because I don't think it wasn't put out that much, and I wanted to come and speak
So
to
are
you
you
at that
recording
time.
this or-
I am recording.
Okay.
It's this podcast is about you.
Yeah.
We've had a conversation about Kona, but if you know about Serendipity, but I find
Yeah.
it tough to catch hold of you guys again and again, and I just feel like it should be documented.
To be
That
frank, we never realized it's not been documented because we
Yeah.
thought Apple as
Yeah.
a big company they are documenting, but they
Yeah.
might have documented, but we never got the footage or
Sure.
the documentation.
yeah,
What were the people response to that
yes,
that work?
yes.
So, but we have not documented from ourselves. From
No,
somebody.
it's a
But
big
we have
hope.
enough
You know,
phone,
Apple
but-
came to India for the first time.
Yeah.
You guys are the first artists to, these actually like I don't know why, but I don't care. I can say this that Apple came to India after so many years, and Tukral and Tagra were the first artists to do a large project with them. And that's because of the past that they've had with art and design, and the kind of quality work they've been delivering over the past so many years. Obviously, they've been thoroughly vetted, and which is why they got this commission. They've also done design projects with Rado, again because of the kind of quality and the attention to detail that they obviously work with. They have been accused by multiple people. I know painters who are like they're too clean. they're too slick, they're too fine, they're too cool. Haters are going to be haters. Yes, fuck it. They are too cool, they are too slick, they are too amazing, and now they are the curators of the Serendipity Arts Festival. And I really, really hope that these guys grow old with me. I hope I become friends with them. I'm friends with them, but like, you know, it's nice to like know that. And to me, they have a brotherly vibe. I am not going to have a kind of take this conversation any more further because these guys have a lot of people waiting for them, and that's the right thing to do. And I would just like to say thank you so much.
Thank you,
for
thank
the
you.
podcast.
Thank you very
Short
much.
podcast,
Yeah.
but fuck
Yeah.
that. I'm just going to say thank you to you.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
It's
very
been a
much.
great podcast.
Thank you.
And all the best. All the best.
And I suggest you to put some pictures of the show.
Yeah.
I mean, different,
Yeah.
different.
Sure. Yeah, yeah.
You know,
I'll
that
take the
makes sense
press
for
kit.
people, like, what was the project
Yeah.
about? You know,
Yeah.
it makes.
Love, love, love. Thank
You
you.
can like, comment, and subscribe to Artistry Plus. I'm not paying them, but
Yeah. Sure.
you all work only for money. What's your relationship with money? Last question. Okay, I'm going to take this also. What's your
Do you think
relationship?
you're working for money here, standing all the time?
Yes.
Do you think
Yes.
Telur is working for money, taking
you're not too
480?
cool. You're all
480.
too cool, and you're all too respectful, and you're always finely dressed, and you're always very well put, very well groomed. My wife,
The problem
my
is
wife
not
had done a
that.
coach residency with you guys for the
Yes.
game. Every time I step out of the house, she asked me, "What would Sumaira and Jitin do? Like, you know, what would Steve Jobs do?" There's a book. So they were like, "Do you think that they will go out?" So then I have to change and I have to look presentable. I have to shave.
But you are.
Dude, I'll tell you one thing. Honestly, no. In the art world, no. I'm letting it be.
No.
It's the end of it. If someone comes all the way till the end here, then they get this bonus fun track. You guys pay special attention to grooming, obviously. Let's do a men's health conversation.
Men's hygiene.
Men's hygiene and grooming conversation. Do you want to say something to the Indian art community to be like, bhai, istri karo, look good, be presentable? Is there something you want to say? Because you all stand the fuck out. So,
I think we should stop.
no. I curatorial man.
So,
like, you're
no, I'll tell you something. So he loves wearing ikat. He
He-
thinks like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Not only ikat, I wear mostly hand woven.
Hand woven
I've been
stuff
doing
because he's
20 years.
allergic to other things, and
Yes.
he says, "I want to just wear this."
NID.
He feels really
No, I'm not from
no,
NID.
but he feels really comfortable in a hand woven textile.
So I don't wear polyester fabric.
very good. Same here.
Yeah.
I'm also wearing. I was the assistant to Bhanu Athaiya, who made Gandhi Oscar Award winner.
Yeah.
So I was her assistant. So she used to tell me, if I see you wear jeans, I'm going to cut your jeans. You don't wear
Yeah.
jeans in India. You wear cotton. She used to
Yeah.
teach me 500.
So I wear
yeah.
jeans.
Sorry. Yeah.
And
This is hand woven, hand spun.
Yes, see this. Guys, this is another YouTube channel altogether, but learn to dress like these guys. Okay, but can you give advice to the shabbily dressed Indian artist?
No.
there is no advice.
Be what you are. Like, don't
Yeah,
listen
If
what
you're
you
shabby,
are.
be shabby.
Yeah, shabby is cool.
It's up to
And-
them, no? Let them choose. Let them do what they want to do.
Okay.
Why you want to tell them to do this? Like,
I don't know, you all are the curators of multiplay. So that's why do you want to tell them to do this is something I have been trying to get out from this podcast, and you're not answering that question. When I'm asking you directly, you're saying why you want people to.
no, you see. Listen,
Okay, no, you're like
you
cool. All
can't
jokes about
force them.
respect. Huh? Yeah. Had a great chat. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm going to include this part.
Yeah.
So they didn't say like, comment, and subscribe, but I know money, man mein.
Okay, like, subscribe, and comment.
To Art History Plus.
Artist.
Artist.
Otherwise, someone can cut it and use it for their museum.
Yes.
Okay, my mic. Bye.
Bye bye.
Great chat.